Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time on your Casio watch. First, locate the 4 buttons on your watch, usually labeled A, B, C, and D. These buttons control various functions, and knowing their general purpose will make the process much smoother. Make sure your watch is currently displaying the regular time before we begin adjusting any settings. This guide focuses on common digital models. To start, find the top left button on your Casio watch, which is typically labeled Adjust or A. Press and hold this button down for approximately 2 to 3 seconds. You will know you have successfully entered the time setting mode when the seconds digits on your watch display begin to flash. This flashing indicates that the watch is ready for adjustments. Now that you are in the setting mode, use the bottom left button, often labeled Mode or C, to cycle through the different time settings. Each press will move you from seconds to hours, then minutes, and potentially other settings like date. When the hours or minutes are flashing, use the top right button, usually B, to increase the value. Hold it down for faster changes. Before finalizing, you can reset the seconds to 0 by pressing the bottom right button, often labeled D. If the seconds are between 30 and 59, an extra minute will be added. Once all your time and date settings are precisely as you want them, press the top left Adjust or a button one final time. This action will exit the setting mode and save your newly configured time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.